Hi all, my name is Mukhesh Chowdhary. I studied for NEET 2024 in Sri Chaitanya. I was a full-time classroom student of Sri Chaitanya. I scored 720 in NEET 2024. My journey with Sri Chaitanya Gosala was transformative. It was not about education. It's just not about academics, but it was a holistic approach towards success. Discipline and dedication became my mantra. I attended live classes where I absorbed concepts taught by our teachers. The next step that I focused in my preparation was solving problems based on the concept. The next step is to clear all my doubts related to the concept with my teacher. The next step in the process was carrying out error analysis based on the questions that went wrong in the exam. Sri Chaitanya played a crucial role in supporting and helping me in my NEET preparation. Provide personalized mentorship and offering guidances based on my weakness and strengths. One-to-one doubt resolving feature helped me a lot. The experts are always there to help, and because of which I achieved this amazing result. During the last month of examination, Sri Chaitanya conducted a final test series for the NEET exam, during which I corrected my weak areas and also worked hard on them, which helped me to give me confidence to fight on the final day of examination. I strongly recommend my juniors to follow the guidelines given by Sri Chaitanya, and you will get a best rank in NEET. Proud to be a Chaitanya.